Every time I'm calling it clockwork, sweat in the tears. Who gonna drop first? Blood in the sand. I am the man, I will not lurk. Wait, nobody gon' face me, nobody gon' push me. They treating the veteran like he a rookie. I'm turning the heat up, so let's get to cooking. They taking a risk like you playing the bookie. Mission control, I'm calling you out. Kicking down doors, I'm up in your house. Mission control, while you ain't around. Morse code when you feeling in doubt. Pandemonium, I need it. Out of orbit, ain't no weakness. The pressure is real, they wanting to kill, but I ain't gon' let them achieve it. Pandemonium, I need it. Out of orbit, ain't no weakness. The pressure is real, they wanting to kill, but I ain't gon' let them achieve it. I'm coming. I'm walking around with a desert eagle, bird's eye with a view from the top like an aerial. But from the ground, I'm assessing your burial. Everything toxic and nailing the chemicals. I'm a soldier, a sentinel. Everything on point, I'm calling that decimal. Sounds of the bullets, I'm loving the decibels. Wait, who gon' tell me I am not emergent? Like an ostrich, your head down up in the dirt. Yo, who's a bounty? I want all the purses. Yo, where's my bonus? I want all the purses. I've been struggling, hustling money to make. Through all the conditions, through all any state. My enemies, dog, is whatever it takes. Reward the risk, no matter the stake. Nobody gon' face me, nobody gon' push me. They treating the veteran